Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today's video, I am going to show you the project that I have made. I have made the project by making use of Java desktop application, and for that purpose I have used the Apache NetBeans IDE to make the code into the Java. So here you can see that my NetBeans IDE is open, and I have opened this project student record management here. So I am going to right click on that project and click on that run button. As you can see, very first login frame is appear in front of you. So here you can see that I am going to add the login credentials, and when I click on that login button, you can see that I am going to navigate to very first frame of our project. So here you can see that this is the first frame of our project. So I am going to add the new student to our system. So how to do that? To do that you have to click on that student tab and click on that add student button, and when you do that, the registration frame will get appear, and into that registration frame you have to write the details of that student which have to take admission to our institute. So here you can see that I have added the details of the I have written the details of the student here. So when I click on that submit button, the our this data is going to be inserted into the database. So let's see. When I click on that submit button, you can see that the message box appears and it says that added successfully, so that our data is going to be inserted into that database successfully. And you can see that if I want to see that data, whether that data is going to be inserted into database or not, I am going to click on that student tab and click on that display button, and here also I have created the display button, and when you click on that display button, you will be able to see the details are going to be inserted successfully. So here you can see that in the format of table you will be able to see the details whatever we have inserted. So that's it all about our student registration. So if I want to make the fee receipt of the that student, same student, this John, which is the name of that student, I want to create the fee receipt. So how can I I will be display you, I will be show you. So this is the fee receipt system also, and here you have to write the that details of the same student which you have registered. So here I have added the details of the student whose fee receipt have to be calculated. So here you can see that that is the details, and when I click on here, here is the button generate receipt, and when I click on that generate receipt button, let's see what happened. When I click on that, you can see that very first the data, that is whatever the data of the fee details are going to be inserted into the database, and a message box will be appears like this. And after clicking on that OK button, you can see that the fee receipt is in front of you into that text area with the specified date and specified name which you have written here. So if I want to print that receipt, I can do that. When I click on that print receipt button, I will be able to see the printer setup. Here you can see that which is the print setup, and suppose I want to print that details, and when I click on that print button, this will be printed into in the format of PDF. You can see that I am giving the name as suppose. So suppose this fee detail I am giving the name, and when I click on save button, I will be showing you how the receipt will be printed. So this is the fee receipt, you can see that, which will be printed like this. So that's it all about my project which I have created.